So in this episode tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you guys can make a button that maybe prints something, does something. Whenever you press it, it's going to show equip and it's going to show unequip, and it's just going to toggle back and forth. Okay, so start off with a screen GUI, add a frame inside of that, and then add a text button. We're going to set the size of the text button to 1, and we're going to move this to the middle of the screen, so 0.5. Now that we have this inside of your text button, add a local script. In this local script, you're going to paste this code. Local button equals script.Parent, and I'll explain the code along the way. So local button equals script.Parent is going to define the btn as the text button, because script.Parent is finding the parent of the script as the local button. So the text button is going to be what the button is, or btn is. Next, we're going to define local equipped equals false. You can change that. So if you want equipped to be true, set it to this, and then it will default to equip being true, but we're going to set it as the false. Next, we're going to go with button.mouse button one click connect function. So what this is going to do is this is going to connect it. So whenever the text button, because remember btn is the text button, whenever the button gets clicked, it's going to connect the function. So whatever happens in here, that's what's going to happen when the mouse button gets clicked. Next, we're going to do if equipped, then. So if the if it's already equipped, the button.Text is going to be set to what's it called? Equip. Because let's say you were to click it while it's equipped, it's obviously going to unequip it. So then it's going to make, wow, it actually just filled out the code entirely. That's crazy. It's going to set the text to equip. So what's happening here is if it's equipped and you click on it, it's going to unequip it. Because obviously that's what the button does. So we're going to set equipped equals false. This is just to make sure that it becomes unequipped whenever it gets clicked. Now we're going to do else. So if the if equipped equals true, or if equipped equals false whenever it gets clicked, we're going to set the text to unequip. And that is because, I'm sorry, I can't explain while I type. So what's going on here is if it's equipped, then and you click on it, it's going to become unequipped, right? So then we're setting the text to equipped, and we're making equipped equals false, okay? And then let's say else. So if equipped equals false, then it's going to make it equipped whenever the button gets clicked. So then we're going to make the text unequip, and then equipped equals true. The equipped equals true just means that like equipped is going to be true, so it's going to be equipped. So now this script is going to look like this. Oh, I forgot to set this. If you guys want, you can do this in a script. So you could just go button.text equals equip. This is because equipped equals false, so that's just unequipped equals true. So I'll show you guys. So it's just going to say equip. You can also do this in the starter GUI, like right here, and just set the text button text to that. But now whenever we click it, it's going to go unequip, equip, unequip, blah, blah, blah. Now you could set this up to do things like obviously actually equip something. This is just going to show unequipped. I'll just show you guys this. You guys could add whatever you want here. Print equipped. So now whenever we click equip, it's going to do equipped, unequip, unequipped. And that's all. You guys could add whatever you guys want here. You guys could make it so it gives you a sword whenever you click the button. Like, it's completely up to you. That's all, I guess.